Good day everyone, I am Ryan Joseph P. Akbang from BSIT 2201, and today I'll be demonstrating you how to configure SSH and APA Cisco switch and router using the network address 10.64.0.0/10 in a packet tracer. So let's get started. First step is i-connect muna natin ang PC using copper straight wire to a switch. Yeah. Pass Ethernet 01. Then, mag-connect tayo ng console where from PC1 RS2322 switch console. Then, from PC1, punta tayo sa desktop, then terminal, then i-type lang natin tong command na enable configure terminal, then interface VLAN 1, then maglagay lang tayo ng IP address 10.64.0.3, then yung subnet mask niya is 255.192.0.0. Then no shutdown. Exit. Then enable secret Cisco. Line console 0. Then ilalagay lang natin na password is Cisco. Then exit. Then service password encryption. Then banner MOTD. This is a Cisco switch. Then line VTY 015. Then exit lang natin. Host name S1. Then IP domain name ryan.com. Then username admin, password Cisco. Then crypto key generate RSA. Ang bits in modules natin ay 1024. Wait lang guys. Crypto key generate RSA. Then ang ilalagay natin is 1024. Then line VTY 015. Then transport input SSH. Then login local. Then as IP SSH version 2. Then exit lang natin. Then punta tayo sa IP configuration ng PC. Ilagay lang natin yung IP address na 10.64.0.2. Then yung subnet mask niya is 255 192.192.0.0. Then, punta ulit tayo sa command prompt. Then, enter lang natin yung SSH minus dash L admin 10.64.03. Then, ilagay lang natin yung password na Cisco kasi Cisco yung sinet natin kanina. Then, enable. Then, password ulit is Cisco. So, ang next natin gagawin is tanggalin natin yung console wire sa switch. Then, ilipat natin sa router. Console. Yan, console. Then, i-connect lang natin tong switch sa router. Sa gigabit 0/0/0. Yan. Then, balik tayo sa PC. Desktop tab at saka punta tayo sa terminal. Ilagay lang ulit natin to. Yan, ino muna natin to. Then, enable. Configure terminal. Then, ilagay lang natin na hostname ay R0. Then, enable secret Cisco. Then, banner MOTD. This is a Cisco router. Yan, nandito ng R. Lakayan natin, router. Then, line console 0. Password is iset natin ulit as Cisco. Then, login. Then, exit. Then, SERP-BIS password dash encryption. Then, IP domain name google.com. Yan, lagay natin ng dash. Domain dash name google.com. Then, username admin, password Cisco 123. Then, crypto key generate RSA ulit. Then, iset lang ulit natin as 1024. Then, IPSSH version 2. Then, line VTY 015. Transport input SSH. Then, login local. Exit lang natin. Then, interface gigabit Ethernet. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0. Then, yung IP address is 10.64.0.4. Then, yung subnet mask is 255.192.0.0. Then, no shutdown. Then, exit lang natin yan. Exit natin. Then, punta tayo sa PC ulit. Then, lagyan lang natin siya ng default gateway kasi wala pa tayo nilagay kanina. Ang default gateway niya is 10.64.0.1. 10.64.0.1. Yan. Then, sunod is punta tayo sa sa switch, sa CLI na switch. Yan. ConFT, then IP default gateway is 10.64. Gateway is 10.64. Dot 0.1. Then exit lang natin. Then mag-write memory lang tayo para hindi siya mawala. Yan, exit. Then punta ulit tayo sa PC. Then command prompt, exit. Then ilagay natin is aring SSH dash L admin 1064.0.4. Yan. Admin 10.64.0.4. Then enter lang natin. Ilagay lang natin yung password na Cisco 123. And that's it. Kapag ipining natin yan is magre-reply siya. Then, wag na natin iping. Hindi ko na ipapakita. Then, alisin lang natin yung yung consoleware, yung kulay blue. And that's it. We've successfully configured SSH on both switch. Kita naman natin na successful. Saka sa router din. Then it's successful. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope this helped you in your Cisco networking journey. Don't forget to save your configuration. See you next time.